In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is OpenClaw safe? Let's get into it. The short answer is no, not for most users. OpenClaw is powerful, but has serious security risks you need to understand before installing it. First, OpenClaw has full access to everything you connect it to. It can read files, run shell commands, access your emails, calendars, and messaging apps. If it gets compromised, an attacker gets access to all of that too. Second, OpenClaw has had multiple critical vulnerabilities. In late January 2026, researchers found a one-click remote code execution flaw that let attackers take full control just by getting you to click a malicious link. That's been patched, but new vulnerabilities keep appearing. Third, the skill marketplace called ClawHub has been flooded with malicious plugins. Over 300 malicious skills were discovered in one campaign alone, including info stealers and backdoors disguised as legitimate tools. Fourth, OpenClaw is vulnerable to prompt injection attacks. Attackers can hide commands in emails or websites that OpenClaw reads and trick it into leaking your data or running malicious code without you knowing. Security experts from Microsoft, Cisco, and Malwarebytes all agree, do not run OpenClaw on your main computer or with your real accounts. If you want to try it, use a dedicated virtual machine with throwaway credentials and no sensitive data. And that's it. OpenClaw is not safe for everyday use unless you're a security expert who knows how to isolate and monitor it properly. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.